Hey guys, okay, I'm going to walk through the house. I'm moving stuff in, and the house is not all the way done, but I want to show you guys what it's looking like. So I'm going to pivot up and we're going to start the tour. So this is me first walking into the house. So this is that entryway, and you can see it's still dusty. I'm so excited to clean. This is the entryway, and this is the office space. This is just some of my stuff had to throw in here, just fresh off the plane. So let's see, we're walking. And then the kitchen, again, I'm getting so many things delivered, so much stuff going on, but the stove is in place and it works. The dishwasher is in place, it works. Oh, this is the light fixture that I found off of, in IKEA in the clearance section, and it's so pretty because it goes so perfectly with the faucet and it ties everything in so pretty. And then I ordered these handles off of Amazon actually, and they are going to go on here. And then I have little square ones that's going to go at the top. They probably just came in that one of those packages right there. Don't know. I want to show you guys the stove. So it has been such a crazy transition, but I'm so happy with the wall color that I picked. I did choose polar bear white, and then my trim is just black. And a mirror. Nowhere in this house has a mirror, which is so rare for me. So anyway, okay, so yay, 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 so happy. Yes, let's go, gas stove. Okay, and then my light, my ceiling, my exhaust fan, everything is working. My refrigerator comes tomorrow. Okay, so this is the main area. It's so bright, so much natural sunlight. I love it. Again, this is going to be my entertainment area where I'm gonna have my TV and my fireplace, and the sofa is going to basically be here. And then I'm gonna show you guys the basement. We turn this corner, you can see the back of the house. So it's going to be like a lot of natural sunlight. And this right here was actually in the house when I moved in. It's like a part of the house, but I'm taking it down. My contractor put that up there because he thought it would be like a cute little nod to the house, but I don't like it. But this is the barn door situation. So you see how it goes so nice with the floors? Oh, I love it. So, bathroom. It might be a little messy. Cannot wait to clean. So the floors is like this tile. But it looks like hardwood, which I like in the transition. The faucet, I showed you guys this last time. It's a really strong faucet, so I'll probably only use it halfway. Still have my exposed brick, slither, love that. And then the top was finished with white. I thought they were gonna take this whole thing brick, but whatever. Okay, so this right here is gonna be like the area for the bar. And then the backyard. Okay, I'll show you guys the finished basement last. It's not finished, but the finished concrete of the basement. So we're going up the stairs. So the wrought iron railing is back ordered. So what we're gonna do is do a wood post and then have wrought iron spindles. So there's still a lot of touch-up paint that need to be done, but I'm just glad that most of the paint is done. So the floor, the risers, and the treads, they just painted it black. It's kind of dusty right now. But this is the other floor. This is my bathroom. So, I don't even think I can get the whole shot. So, this is the bathroom. Obviously, I need a mirror for here, so it's like black and white, pretty. Let me see, shower. So I got this shower specifically with this head for the shower because it tilted down. I didn't want a direct rainfall shower because I don't like water just right over top of my head. So this is like a really pretty angle where it can get on my body and I only get my hair wet when I want it to. So shower is in, hot water is good, new toilet. So we got specialty toilets that's kind of short. They're called shorty toilets. So I have enough room here to stand and all that stuff. Vanity. Oh, I'll show you guys. This is the faucet. It's called a waterfall faucet. I really like it. And then the drain. It's a pop drain. Oh, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so bedroom number 1. So in this bedroom, we did not enclose the door. So the closet will still be over there on that side, but this is the first bedroom. Flooring, I just love it. So the door, instead of it being closed, it's like a barn door style, but not a complete barn door because, I mean, the hardware is enclosed instead of it being barn door hardware. So you guys remember, so I have bad news. You guys remember my pocket door? So the pocket door window was back ordered because of COVID. I wasn't gonna be able to get the frosted window until sometime in April. So what I did temporarily, we put this window in and then I got the frosted kit from Lowe's that I'm gonna actually put on here so that it can blur the vision. I'm gonna do the same thing on that window back there. This is my bedroom. Yeah, same, nothing changed. Paint, floor, it's all complete. My tub is still not installed. It's gonna get installed next week, actually. We have to wait for one more appraiser to come through for the house. And so my contractor said he didn't want it to look odd. So he's just wanna sit this here until after the last appraisal. Then we're gonna add the tub. But you guys remember, my closet's going on this wall, bed here, tub there. I am gonna do minimal space, so a lot of the stuff that I was gonna put in my room, I'm not. Okay, going up. Up to the stuck. Okay, so this is the final bathroom. Same setup. Their window is a little lower, and I feel like this bathroom has more space than mine. But same shower situation. I'm changing out these lights. Same with the waterfall sink. A little dirty. Toilet, everything's the same. This is still that awkward space that I said. In the bedroom, same. Bedroom number 1, and we're going to bedroom number 2 on the 3rd floor. Okay, so this bedroom, this was the original pocket door situation, and we did it in this room, so that's why I opted not to do it downstairs, because the way that this comes out, it kind of messes up how I planned on doing the closet in this room, because now you have a step in the wall, but we do have the actual pocket door in this room. And I mean, all in all, I'm just so happy. It all works out how it's supposed to. So even with all the little things that I have to do, I'm super happy. And everything that I have to do, I can do while I'm actually here. So I'm gonna wait till after the refrigerator is installed tomorrow. And I'm going to go to IKEA today to pick up like just a cheap bed, just to make it sleepable, basically. Okay, so this is my thermostat that I have now, but my Nest thermostat is in the closet space. Okay, let me show you guys downstairs, and that's the last area. So downstairs is unfinished, but the concrete is finished. So we're going downstairs. Oh, I gotta tell you guys what happened with my washer dryer delivery. Okay, so as you guys can see, way different from last time. The floors are all the way done. The walls are done. The discoloration is just different mixes of concrete. This is not wet. This is dry and totally waterproof, and it's warm down here even though it's freezing cold outside. So what happened is after the concrete cured and was done, they came back and then they did some patchwork. So that's why it's different types of concrete. If it was any cracks or anything, they came in and fixed it. So what's gonna happen is we're going to paint down here, paint the walls. I'm gonna paint the walls, I don't know, probably like a nice pretty gray color, because I don't want this to be white down here, because this is gonna be my theater room. Back here on this wall, I'm gonna have a shelving unit and a mirror situation, and this is gonna be my workout area. And then I'm gonna show you guys the washer dryer hookup section that's back here. Okay, so this is where obviously washer dryer, and then right here is gonna be my utility sinks area, and then I'm gonna have some shelving and stuff on this side and storage. And then right here I'm going to have my craft table where I do like a lot of my creations, and that's it. So okay, the washer dryer came the other day and I was going to record the video for you guys, but this area right here between this wall and that wall, because he built the walls in some with the concrete, it's actually 2 inches too small. So my contractor actually is going to come tomorrow, and he's gonna cut away 2 inches from this wall, like grind it down, move everything over a little bit, and then I'm gonna get the washer dryer re-delivered, and they'll be able to bring it down here. So, and then we're replacing the steps too when he moves this over, because everything's gonna be brand new. So it actually gave me time to do a little bit more research, and I realized that I don't wanna get the Electrolux front load dryer. I'm just gonna get a Maytag top load washer dryer, because it's more efficient for the washing machine is bigger and it's just more efficient for what I want to do. And I think Maytag is a better brand. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But this right here, this little ledge situation right here, I was thinking of making this like a little sitting area, because the sofa is going to go against this wall. So if I have like a cute little area where I could just sit down, and I don't know. You guys, I am so happy. I love the way it turned out. As you guys can see, it is no lights on. It's so bright, it's so airy. It feels so open and inviting. It's still small, but it's big enough for what I want to, how I want to live, like what I want to accomplish. I am going to build still an island right here for when I'm cooking and prepping, and then I'm thinking about still having a table against this wall, just a super slim table really close to the wall, where when I have dinner parties and stuff, I can pull it back and then have seating on both sides. So that's the only big things that's going on. I'm going to grab my tape measure right here and start measuring some areas, because I gotta see what kind of couch I can actually get and start shopping for furniture. It's furniture time, so super happy, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and by the time I upload this video, yeah, I'm gonna have plenty more coming. So, oh, I love the registers. Oh, let me show you guys what he did. One more thing. Inside this return register, he painted it black, so it looks like so pretty. It's just so nice. Like the little details makes me happy. Like the black outlet covers instead of white. I just love it all. So what's gonna happen is I got a lot of little cleaning and touch up to do, but I'll show you guys as I'm doing it, my whole process. It's really cold today in Philly, but it's warm in here. So I can tell you that much, the heat works. So, okay, until next time, see you guys, bye.